Bà sông chìm bập xúa sa ni sa lộc cừu nè cừu tiếng lái đào thực chất riêng phía sau ông lấy bài American chỉ mùi lộc cừu Charles tiếng Anh năng bà sông swakum na. I'd like to welcome you to American English for beginners. Say that with me. American English for beginners. American English for beginners. Okay. យើងចូលដល់មេរៀនថ្មីហើយយើងសង្ខេបដោយសារនេះគឺជាយុទ្ធសាស្ត្ររបស់លោកគ្រូបាទយើងបង្រៀនមេរៀន1ហើយមេរៀនបន្ទាប់យើងសង្ខេបពីមេរៀនមុនហើយបន្តមេរៀនថ្មីអូខេនេះគឺជាយុទ្ធសាស្ត្ររបស់លោកគ្រូហើយខ្ញុំជឿថានេះគឺជាយុទ្ធសាស្ត្ររបស់គ្រូបង្រៀនដែលមានគុណភាពល្អដែលពិតជាចង់ឲ្យសិស្សរបស់គាត់ចេះស្ទាត់អូខេដូច្នេះមានយើងសូមមើល ABC តារាង ABC របស់យើងហើយសូមកុំភ្លេចអក្សរ ABC ពីច្រើនមិនមែនសំឡេងតែមួយទេប៉ុន្តែមានសំឡេងយ៉ាងហោចណាស់2ឬ4ឬក៏3អូខេ3ឬ4សំឡេងអូខេ The English alphabet, most of the letters have more than one sound. Sometimes they have one sound, 2 sounds, 3 sounds, or 4 sounds. Okay, say that with me. Sounds. Ni tam lo crew. 1 sound, 2 sounds, 3 sounds, 4 sounds. Okay, so ni ye chmoy lo crew. 1 2 3 A B K S D E F G J H I J K L N O P Q S T U V W X Y Z បាទនេះគឺជាសំឡេងនៃ ABC របស់យើងមិនមែនតែទាំងអស់ទេប៉ុន្តែគ្រប់សម្រាប់មេរៀននេះសូមមកដល់ slide មួយថ្មីហើយសំឡេងទាំងពីររបស់អក្សរ C the C sounds នេះតាមលោកគ្រូ the C sounds យើងមាន the hard C and the soft C ហើយសំឡេងរងហើយសំឡេងទន់Okay, ni itam lo crew. The hard C sound, the soft C sound. Okay, ni itam lo crew. The hard C sound. Cat, can, cut, cake, corn, cold. The soft C sound. City, face, ice, pencil, police, space. Okay, ni ye prayot teng pi. The cat can cut cake and cold corn. The cat can cut cake and cold corn. The city police use a pencil. The city police use a pencil. Okay. សំឡេងទាំងពីររបស់អក្សរ G នេះតាមលោកគ្រូ the G sounds ម្ដងទៀត the G sounds sounds មើលមាត់ខ្ញុំ Okay ឥឡូវនិយាយតាមលោកគ្រូម្ដងទៀត the hard sound the soft sound the hard sound the soft sound Okay តោះនិយាយតាមលោកគ្រូ big gum get bag big game the soft sound germ gym age huge orange gentle the hard sound g the soft sound j soft sound ដូចគ្នាសំឡេង J អក្សរ J សូមអានប្រយោគជាមួយលោកគ្រូ Get the big bag for the game ម្ដងទៀត Get the big bag for the game ប្រយោគមួយទៀត Let's eat an orange and go to the gym ម្ដងទៀត Let's eat an orange and go to the gym Okay សំឡេងអក្សរ S សំឡេងតាមលោកគ្រូ The S sounds the S sounds the voiceless sound the voiced sound z voiceless mean mean សំឡេង mean ខ្យល់ចេញពីមាត់ the voiced mean ខ្យល់មកតែ z ខ្យល់នៅក្នុងមាត់នៅឡើយ z សំឡេងដូចគ្នានឹងអក្សរ z Okay so និយាយតាមលោកគ្រូ the voiceless S sound sun sun sat boxes so snake the voiced sound voiced voiced ed xrd means សំឡេងដូច t t voiced voiced និយាយតាមលោកគ្រូ use these plays was bags falls ទាំងអស់ S ចុងក្រោយបំផុតហ្នឹងមានសំឡេង z ដូចគ្នានឹង z សូមនិយាយប្រយោគតាមលោកគ្រូ My son sat on the snake in the sun ម្ដងទៀត My son sat on the snake in the sun មួយទៀត We use the bags when he plays a game We use the bags when he plays a game Okay អរគុណ Okay so និយាយសំឡេងម្ដងទៀតនិយាយតាមលោកគ្រូមើលមាត់លោកគ្រូ A B K S D E F G J H I J K L M N O P Q R S Z, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z โอเคเมเรียนทำไมคือสำแดงแหวงใน vowel เต็งปราม vowels เต็งปรามสำเนียงที่ทำเราครูชิปที่สองเลย the long vowel sounds vowel we have there are สำเนียงที่ทำเราครู there are 5 vowels in the English language มาลองเตียดThere are 5 vowels in the English language นะภาษาอังกฤษมี vowel เต็งปรามโอเคนิยายตามสำแดงนังเปียกใน vowel สำแดงแหวงนี่มวย the long vowel sounds โอเคนิยายตามละครู A E I O U โอเคมาสรุปโอเคได้ยินสกอร์ให้ได้สาสำแดงสำหรับ vowel เต็งปรามนี้ vowel สำแดงแหวง the long sound สำแดงนังชมวดโดยขี้เนี่ยโอเค so สำนิยาย A 8 snake baby name okay 8คือชื่อปีอัตติกาล eat 8 บานยาม okay บานยาม 8 snake 8 บานลือ t สำแดง t 8 snake baby name okay อักษร e me he she she meet okay อักษร I สำแดงนังชมวดโดยขี้เนี่ย I'm ขนมเชีย I'm like ชลชัด ride มาแมน ride บรรทาย ride ride ชี fire เพลิง fine ละอ okay fine I'm okay I'm fine okay บรรทายแตงอ้อมเมียนสำแดง I'm like ride fire fine I A E I O cold ตระเชียด old ชะไว้ชะ no เต้ whole มาชัวเปีย or รู or โอเคสมรังเตียด O cold old no whole or XIU cute use blue music you โอเคสมรองเทียบมันตายเลิกนี้สมเมื่อหมดแล้วครูเต็งออก A E I O U 8 snake baby name me he she meat meat បើមាន consonant ត្រូវនិយាយសំឡេងនៃ consonant ហ្នឹង I'm like មិនមែន like ride មិនមែន ride fire fine មិនមែន fine fine cold cold old no whole or you cute use blue music អូខេនេះគេតាមលោកគ្រូ A E I O U អូខេនេះគឺជាមេរៀនសម្រាប់លើកនេះបាទសូមមើលមេរៀនហើយសូមមើលវីដេអូម្ដងទៀតហើយសូមខំប្រឹងនិយាយដូចគ្នានឹងសំឡេងលោកគ្រូសូមអរគុណ